Aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Air France Flight 296 and Airbus A320 was involved in a crash during a demonstration flight on June 26, 1988 at the Mulhouse Havien Airport in France. The flight was a part of an airshow event and the pilots were performing a low-level floor to showcase the aircraft capabilities while flying at a low altitude. The aircraft attempted to execute a step climb but failed to gain enough altitude. The plane struck straight at the end of the runway and crashed into a wooded area. Tragically, 3 of the 136 people on board were killed, while others sustained injuries. The crash was attributed to a combination of factors including pilots' error and possible issue with the plane flight system. The accident led to significant changes in aviation regulations regarding aircraft demonstration and the training of. The crash of Air France flights 296 remains a significant event in aviation history due to the lesson learned about aircraft handling and the important safety protocols during public demonstration pilots. The air crash of Air France